this same Ananda that is in me is reflected from Brahman to the creation. This same consciousness that is there in me is reflected from the Chid, to the creation. Yes. And the same existence that is there in me obviously is projected into the creation. Projected, I am projecting it out. The Brahman with the power of Maya projects everything in this creation. Okay. So, the three qualities of the Brahman are Satchit Anand, the three qualities of every experience, not every object. This is wrongly put in many places. It is not of every object, it is the three main qualities of every experience that have Brahman hidden under them are Asti, Bhati and Priyam. What is Asti? Existence. This object exists, the table exists, the computer exists. It is. It cannot exist inherently without the Brahman. It borrows its existence from the Brahman. Yes. So if you are lying down on the bed and dreaming, and in your dream there is a tiger which is chasing you. Does the tiger have its own inherent existence without the dreamer? Now it's very clear. Yeah. So, without me, this creation cannot have its own existence. It does not have inherent existence. Yes. That is Asti. So, this creation borrows its existence from me. That is Asti. Bhati. Bhati means, literal translation is shines. It appears, it manifests. In my dream, the tiger manifested. Bhati. It's not really shining, but it manifested. Very clear? It comes into appearance. That is Bhati. And third, every object has a likableness to it, a pleasantness to it. Yeah? Even if it is the ghost. Yeah? That is why you celebrate Halloween. Yeah? Likableness literally means it has a magnetism. That magnetism can have two opposite properties. It can be an attraction or a repulsion, but it has a magnetism. So if you want to translate it perfectly, Priyam is magnetism. Yeah. So Asti is borrowed from Sat. Bhati is borrowed from Chit. And Priyam is borrowed from Ananda. If there is Asti, Bhati, Priyam in every object, if you can see that, you can see Brahman everywhere.